Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about the how to calculate the effective diameter of a screw thread by two-wire method. In this method, effective diameter of a screw thread may be determined by placing two wires of identical diameter between the flank of the thread. It is as shown in the figure. So in the figure you have to observe that here we are placed two wires of equal diameter at the flank of the screw thread. And let us consider the D is the diameter of the wires. Here capital M is the diameter over the wire. In general, capital M value, that is the diameter over the wire, is measured by the micrometer. And we have to consider the capital T is the diameter under the wire, and let consider the capital E is the effective diameter of the wire, and capital C is the gap between the effective diameter and diameter under the wire. Here gap will be C by 2 for the both of the wires. Then the relation between the E and T is the E equal to the T plus C, and we know that the relation between the capital T and M is the M equal to the T plus 2D. Here D is the diameter of the wire. So this is the maximized view of the single wire. Here we have to find the C by 2 values, then we have to determine the effective diameter of a screw thread. So let's see the procedure to determine the C by 2 value. First we have to draw a vertical line which is passing through the center of the wire, that is the bow, and also it is passing through the pitch of the screw thread, that is the capital F. So here we draw a vertical line which is passing through the center of the wire, that is the bow, and the pitch, that is capital F. Next we have to draw a line which is perpendicular to the flank face of the thread, and it should be connect to the center of the wire, that is the line ON. So here we drawn a line, that is the ON, which is perpendicular to the flank face of the thread, as well as it should have to connect to the center of the wire. Similarly, draw a OM line, so another side. So here we have to observe that the ONF is the right angle triangle with an angle of the x by 2. Here x is the thread angle. Then it is forming a right angle triangle of OFN with angle of the x by 2. Then we have to apply the trigonometry basics. We know that the cosecant theta, that is the cosecant x by 2, is nothing but so OF divided by the ON. So this is also have to write down the OF equal to the ON into cosecant of x by 2. Then the ON value is nothing but it is the radius of the wire, that is we have to write down the ON equal to D by 2. Then it is substitute ON value in the above equation, then we will get the OF equal to the D by 2 into cosecant of x. So let us consider the bottom of the wire, that is let us consider W. Then FW will be equal to the OF minus OW. So from the previous triangle we determine the OF value. Here we have to substitute the OF value, that is the D by 2 cosecant of x by 2. Then FW will become the D by 2 cosecant of x by 2 minus of D by 2. Here D by 2 have to take a common, then the FW value equal to the D by 2 into cosecant of x by 2 minus 1. So we know that when the pitch is the distance between the two crests. Here let us consider P is the pitch of the thread, and also let us consider the capital R is the intersect point for the wire and the effective diameter, and also let us consider the point Q is the intersect point for the axis of the wire and the pitch diameter. So then here we have to observe that when the F, R and Q, it is forming a one right angle triangle. So this one we have to write down the from the triangle FRQ. So it is nothing but cot x by 2 equal to the FQ divided by the QR. Then the FQ equal to the QR into cot of x by 2. So QR is nothing but, the value of the QR is nothing but P by 4. So then we have to substitute QR value in the FQ. Then FQ will become the P by 4 into cot of x by 2. And we have to observe the from the above diagram, the value of the FQ is nothing but QW plus QF. So QF or FQ. So previously already we determined the FQ value, that is the P by 4 into cot of x by 2, and also FW also we determine the that value is the D by 2 into cosecant of x by 2 minus 1. Then the QW will equal to the FQ minus FW. Then we have to substitute the FQ value as well as FW values. Then the QW, that the QW is nothing but it is the C by 2. Then C by 2 value will become the P by 4 into cot of x by 2 minus of D by 2 into cosecant of x by 2 minus 1. We will get the C by 2 value is the P by 2 into cot of x by 2 minus of D into cosecant of x by 2 minus 1. And we know that when the for the metric thread angle should be x equal to the 60 degrees. Then we have to substitute this x value in the relation of the C. Then we will get the C value is the 0.866 P minus D. So once we know the C value, then we have to determine the effective diameter of the thread, that is the E equal to the T plus C. And also we know that when the relation between the M and the T, that is the M equal to T plus 2D. Thank you.